Number 10. The Social Engineering Toolkit, SET, is an open-source penetration testing framework included in Kali Linux, designed for simulating social engineering attacks. It provides a range of customizable attack vectors, such as phishing, credential harvesting, and website cloning, to test the human element of security within organizations. SET helps security professionals and ethical hackers identify and address vulnerabilities related to human behavior, making it a valuable tool for comprehensive security assessments and training exercises. Number 9. NCTO is an open-source web server scanner designed to identify potential vulnerabilities and misconfigurations in web servers. It performs to detect issues such as outdated software, insecure files and scripts, configuration problems, and common vulnerabilities. NCTO supports SSL, proxies, and authentication, making it versatile for different environments. Number 8. Multigo is a versatile OSINT and graphical link analysis tool used for data mining and information gathering. It's used by cybersecurity professionals, investigators, and analysts to visualize complex relationships and connections between disparate pieces of information. It a crucial tool for threat intelligence, digital forensics, and investigative research. Number 7. Schmap is an open-source penetration testing tool designed for automating the detection and exploitation of SQL injection vulnerabilities in web applications. It supports a variety of database management systems including MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle, and Microsoft SQL Server. Database fingerprinting, data extraction, and execution of arbitrary SQL commands. Schmap can bypass certain web application firewalls and integrates well with other security tools. Number 6. John the Ripper is a popular open-source password cracking tool. It is designed to quickly detect weak passwords and has support for various password hash types, including those used in Unix, Windows, and web applications. John the Ripper employs techniques such as dictionary attacks, brute force attacks, and customizable cracking methods to efficiently break password hashes. Number 5. AirCrack-NG is a robust, open-source suite designed for auditing and securing wireless networks. It includes tools for monitoring, attacking, testing, and cracking Wi-Fi networks, focusing on WEP, WPA, and WPA2, PSK encryption. It helps identify vulnerabilities, perform penetration tests, and enhance overall network security. Key components like AirMon-NG, AirDump-NG, AirPlay-NG, and AirCrack-NG itself provide comprehensive functionalities for capturing packets, injecting frames, and recovering encryption keys, making it an essential toolkit for wireless security assessment. Number 4. Metasploit. Metasploit is a leading penetration testing framework designed for developing, testing, and executing exploit code against target systems. It provides a range of tools and modules which can be utilized to check the security of the target system, identify vulnerabilities, and use them to get into the system. Metasploit's modular design allows for customized and automated attacks, making it a crucial resource for security assessments, vulnerability research, and ethical hacking. Number 3. Wireshark. Wireshark is a leading network protocol analyzer used for network troubleshooting, analysis, and development. It captures and interactively analyzes the traffic moving through a network in real time, allowing users to inspect individual packets in detail. Wireshark supports deep inspection of hundreds of protocols, live capture, and offline analysis, making it an invaluable tool for network administrators, security experts, and developers. It is available across multiple platforms, including Windows, macOS, and Linux. Number 2 is Burp Suite. Burp Suite is a comprehensive web application security testing platform developed by Portswigger. Widely utilized by security professionals and penetration testers, Burp Suite is known for its powerful tools that identify, analyze, and exploit vulnerabilities in web applications. It features an intercepting proxy for inspecting and modifying HTTP and HTTPS traffic, an automated web crawler to map application structure, and tools for customized attacks and manual testing. Number 1. EndMap, Network Mapper, is a versatile and powerful network scanning tool used by security professionals and network administrators. It helps in mapping out networks, detecting available services, and identifying potential security issues. Network Discovery identifies devices and hosts on a network. Port Scanning detects open ports and running services. Vulnerability Detection identifies potential security weaknesses. Open source, free to use, modify, and distribute. Powerful tool for network administrators and security professionals. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more awesome content. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let me know your thoughts or suggestions in the comments below.